It's okay. It's okay to put this on YouTube, on Facebook, all the social media, everything else.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I always wondered, like, how do people, you always see some of them are just always happy and optimistic. Like, for example, my mother-in-law was like that. She was diagnosed with cancer about 4 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Even that same day she found out, like, not a tear, not fear. It's going to be fine. What did he do, basically? And I'm thinking, God, how does she stay so strong and positive? And she's always positive.
Right.
And she's still here, what, 5, 6, or
Cool.
what, 4 years ago? No, I think it's been 5 years ago now. And still just as positive, healthy as can be now. But I'm thinking, I was wondering, like, how do people like that? It's like, how are some people so positive and happy all the time, no matter what? And then some people, Debbie Downers like myself. I mean, I wasn't, I'm not like a complete Debbie Downer. Like, I'm always try to be upbeat for my wife, my son, but in my own head to myself, I was more of a Debbie Downer, where someone like my mother-in-law was just always positive, no matter what adversity. And it's like, God, I want to be like that. That's really the true meaning of life, is being happy no matter what the circumstances,
Right.
what to diagnose, anything. And now I think starting to see how it was, like, that's how she's probably always been.
Right.
And
Yeah.
whether her programs or whatever, she just always knew how to focus on the positive no matter what.
Yeah.
And that's where I realized that now I can be more like someone like her by, focusing
Mm-hmm.
on, you know, just the positives in life, no matter what it is, or no matter
Right.
what I'm going through.
And that's the biggest gift you can give your son too.
And that's, yep, I would absolutely be preaching it now. And I mean, I've been talking to my wife about it. Of course, she knows what's, the sessions I've been doing with you. And, so I
Right.
just been kind of letting her how it's been going, and just how, so now she might even be on my butt. Son, did you do your happy journal tonight? Or say, so,
Whoa.
so she must be, seeing a good positive thing also. 'Cause
Well, that's the way it goes. That's the way you convince people. Actions speak much stronger than words, and when they see the changes, then they become believers. So,
absolutely.
so cool, very cool. And I do with my son too. I have a son who's turning 13 in another month and a half, and I do the stuff with him too. He's been doing it with me for a good, I don't know, good 8, 9 years already.
Oh,
So,
wow.
yeah,
So he'll be heading in the right direction. I would have loved if my parents did that when because I'm sure I wouldn't
yeah,
have the all the stress that I had in my life now. Like, I mean,
right,
that's, you can't give a better gift than that. They might not realize it at the time, but
right,
well, I mean, it
absolutely,
literally dictates how happy your life's going to be. I mean, literally.
yeah.
Don't forget, if you like this video, leave a like down below, subscribe to my channel, or subscribe to my newsletter. The address is right down below over there. Have a great week.